Hi there. In this session, I would like to tell you about VS Code Editor. This is one of the best code editor. You can create any kind of code with the help of this VS Code. So it seems to be like this. This is interface about VS Code. It had a lot of functionalities and tools to execute our code in live mode, as well as it had some extensions also be there. So here you can see with the help of these extensions, you can use some snippets and triggers to execute your code in HTML, JavaScript, React.js, etc. languages and HTML web related technologies also. And here you can see with the help of this git initialize repository, you can also host your website files into your repository, as well as you can host your these files in git hosting also. And this is the explorer, in the sense we have to define one root folder to create our website project. There whatever root folder you may assign, with the help of this explorer will explore all the files, whatever files you are using there in this website. And at the same time, if you want to download VS Code into your system, here you can see this is the link. You can download very absolutely free of cost. Here are the different variants. Whatever system you are using, you can download these softwares. And here you can see there is an extension menu is there. We hit on that one. Here you can see there are a lot of extensions which I installed into my system. If you want to install any kind of HTML snippets, here you can see there is a lot of snippets are there. So with the help of these snippets or extensions, you can install these extensions, as well as you can use these extensions into your website and your project. And here I installed some more most useful extensions. I will tell you about that VS Code extensions. Here you can see this is the bootstrap of 5 snippets. So here you can see I will share you these links here in this class description below. There you can also download these links and you can install this extension in your VS Code for free of cost. Moreover, here you can see I installed this bootstrap 5 snippets. Here my VS Code had some supported snippets is there. Here you can see bootstrap 5 container is there, bootstrap 5 container fluid is there. Whatever you are seeing, these are all the extension. With the help of this extension, you can use those class attribute as well as bootstrap components into your project. And here you can see there is a HTML boilerplate also be there. So this is one of the extension to execute our HTML starter template into your project. Here you can see this is the preview where it seems to be like this. It will load entire HTML starter template. With the help of this boilerplate, we can load HTML starter template. And here you can see the procedure how to install this one and how we can use this snippet in our for our project. As well as there is another snippet is there, nothing but live server is there. So live server is a server. It makes a little bit of server and it will execute your website projects as a live server. So this is also one of the best snippet extension to execute your websites. So here you can see there is a material icon theme also be there. This is also one of the most important thing for VS Code. Whatever extension you may use for your file, it will exposes and this theme will show that icon, that extension symbol in your Explorer root folder. Keep this point in your mind. I am going to sharing you these links here in this below description. Please download this extension and use these extensions for your project. And here you can also see there is a React.js extensions also be there, and there is some HTML5 and CSS3 extensions also be there. I will share you all those extensions. Please install these extensions into your VS Code editor. If you want to download these VS Code, here you can see this is the download link. With the help of this download link, you can download VS Code for Windows, Linux, and Mac. So this is very absolutely free of cost. Whatever extensions you may require, whatever software VS Code you may require, you can download for free of cost, and you can use these VS Code editor and extensions for your web projects.